Compared to other third-party assessment companies that we already deal with, PICS is far quicker response. And in addition to that, I feel there's a different focus of PICS from other third-party assessment companies. They tend to be focused on the contractor rather than just the client, and that way we feel supported and it enables us to get problems and issues resolved very quickly. One of the great things I've found about the PICS system is not just the system itself, but is the support. As an example, we've recently registered to another company on the PICS system, and we had an insurance query with other third-party assessors that would have taken a long time to resolve. But because of the commitment of the customer service department, they were able to get the situation resolved within a matter of days. PICS has made life a little bit easier for us since registering and uploading the information, in that we've only had to upload the information once and have it verified, and then it's available for all the customers that are already registered with PICS. Because I've been registered with PICS, we've had contact from clients that are already on their database that we don't currently deal with, which is great. It's additional opportunities that we otherwise would not have had.